bulk carrier hull breached, but no leak reported. Hull of grounded bulk carrier Solomon Trader was breached, in engine room area, according to February 18 official statement of National Disaster Management Office, NDMO, of Solomon Islands. However, no oil spill occurred so far, adds NDMO. Salvage is hampered by adverse weather. The Guardian reported oil spill, citing anonymous government source. Well, both sources, The Guardian and Anonymous One, aren't exactly trustworthy, especially the former. Let's wait for more formidable and conclusive facts. As of now, it's a hull breach in engine room area with, of course, some oil sludge and residues washing out from engine room. It's not a pollution, so far.